Understanding the Clickbank metrics. As a Clickbank affiliate marketer, you should understand what the metrics is all about. Initial sales is the average amount of money affiliate makes per sale. Average percentage sales is the percentage of the sales price affiliate takes as a commission on average. The gravity is the number of affiliates that sold this product in the last 12 weeks. Average review total is the average money affiliate takes as a commission as a result of review. And average review is the percentage of reviews paid to the affiliate on average. Alright, so let me show you how that works. We are in the marketplace. We are on the Clickbank marketplace right now. So I'm going to use this product Wood Profit for an example to illustrate this thing. This is the initial sales, which is $30.78. Can you see that? That is the amount you earn promoting these products. That means each sales you earn this commission. Then here is the average percentage sale. This shows the percentage of the amount you earn. That is, you're earning 67% of the amount, which is good. I don't promote product less than 50% commission. Okay, so this is average review total. This product doesn't have a review payment on it, so here is average percentage review, which shows you the amount you earn from the review payment. But this product has no review payment. Okay, so here finally see the gravity of the product, 48.63, which is good, very good gravity. I promote products with 7 gravities upward, 7 plus gravities. So it's advisable you promote product that is selling already on Clickbank, because product less than a gravity or 0 gravity, 1 gravity, 2 gravities may not be it's not really popular and people are not really buying the product, so it's not wise wasting your time promoting what people don't really want. So that is why I advise go for products with 7 of gravities upward. Okay, so 7 plus gravities. Thank you.